Citroen jumpy. Power steering is not working. No communication in some models, but is no communication with power steering. I have checked in this big connector, coming plus minus, good, but this connector is full with oil. This connector is also good. I have checked CAN communication and permanent plus. So first one is CAN 2.5 volt, middle one is 12 volt, permanent plus, not permanent, ignition. And the last one, white one, is also CAN 2.2, 2.4 volts. So, and after I disconnect it, all system wake ups, like ABS you can connect, and so it means it's short circuit. So must to change this. But what I decide to try, I take this one, drill, I don't know, it's some 5 or 4 millimeters drill bit, and I have drilled, you see, a hole in here. And yes, like I was guess, it's full with oil. So it means this pump is leaking inside oil. But now I try to wait, or I make little bit bigger hole and see maybe this short disappears and the pump start to work. So it's small test. And yes, I make bigger hole and it leaks more. Now it's just dropping. So now no more dropping. It looks like finish. It was something like 200 grams something oil. And now try to check, maybe it's wake up. Connectors is on, everything is on. So try to find this electric power steering, and no connection. Maybe it must take time, and I try tomorrow. We will see. But now is not success, so still need to change this pump. But I found out that this pump full with oil. That's also good. And what you think? I come back after half hour and power steering wakes up. Works like new. Oil disappear from connectors, from control units, and wake ups power steering. Now just must control there is a lot of leakage, or just by 1 year is coming some drops. But if it's coming a lot of, so pump must be changed. But if it's just 1 drop in month, so is no problem. Try again. Yes, it works. Nice. So like this, sometime you can fix power steering.